Subscribe and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Urban Gardening. For microgreens, choose pots and trays that are at least 2 inches deep and as large in diameter as you want. Make some holes at the bottom for drainage. For the soil mix, use seed starting soil or blend your own mix by mixing 40% garden soil, 30% Cocopeat and 30% cattle manure or leaf mold. Now fill it with the soil mix and press it with your hand to make an even surface. Since the roots of microgreens do not reach that deep, 2 to 3 inches of soil should be good enough. Water with a spray bottle or mister to evenly moisten the soil. Buy good quality seeds to begin with. There are so many varieties of plants including turnip, radish, broccoli, mustard, cauliflower, lettuce, kale, spinach, cabbage, amaranth, basil and fenugreek to have a few that can be grown as a microgreen for a wholesome and nutritious addition to your daily meals. After the soil is ready, seeds are to be spread on the soil surface. Remember, you will harvest them very young, so the spacing between the seeds does not need to be completely even. Spread seeds evenly over the entire surface of the soil. You can easily grow different seeds in a single container. Water with a mister and place your containers in a spot where they will get at least 4 to 5 hours of sunlight per day. They will need to be misted at least once a day with a spray bottle. Remember, the important thing is to keep the seeds moist but not wet until the seeds germinate. Don't let the soil dry out. Mist daily, keeping the soil moist but not wet. You should see sprouts pop up in about 3 to 7 days. Once the seeds have sprouted, spraying once or twice a day is recommended. At this stage, you will be thrilled to see your containers full of healthy microgreens. Big on nutrition and flavor, microgreens can be expensive to purchase, but they can also be grown cost-effectively at home in a tiny space and with simple supplies. To limit the contact between water and the greens, it is recommended to water the trays at the soil level. Water should be provided only if necessary, avoiding excess moisture and allowing drainage to prevent the development of mold. The best time to harvest microgreens is when they have developed the first set of true leaves, about 14 to 20 days after planting. To harvest, grab your scissor and cut the microgreens, holding them vertically from just over the roots. Microgreens provide the best of nutrition when consumed fresh right after the harvest. You can also dry them after washing and store them in a paper wrap in your fridge for further use.